Hi. Welcome to the lot sizes topic in SAP IBP explainer video series from GitaCloud. This series is aimed at supply planners and any other IBP practitioners. This is part 1. It explains how lot-for-lot strategy works in IBP both for infinite supply heuristics as well as supply optimizer. Lot sizing procedures allow you to model production and transportation quantities per period to be set within limits and/or according to a certain strategy. SAP IBP supports multiple lot sizing procedures as shown here. IBP has multiple supply planning algorithms, which have varying coverage of the lot sizing procedures, as shown in the table here. We will deep dive into each of these lot sizing procedures. Let's start with lot for lot. Demand for each period is shipped in the same period with this setting. Let's orient ourselves with the supply network and the master data used in this video. We will focus on the supply chain for product IBP 100 for the EMEA region. Distribution Center 3710 serves EMEA customers. Plant 1010 supplies product to this DC. Let's also quickly review some key master data values before we see the planning results with lot-for-lot strategy. Location product master data type allows us to maintain lot sizing procedure. We have set it as 0, lot for lot. Customer source master data type allows us to maintain customer transportation lead time from DC to customer. We have set it as 2 weeks. Location source master data type allows us to maintain transportation lead time from plant to DC. We have set it as 1 week. Let's see how infinite supply heuristic plans demands and supplies across customer, DC, and plant with lot-for-lot procedure. We ran this example with no stock at DC or plant to make it easier to understand. See how demand propagates from customer, consensus demand of 10 units in week 34, to DC, dependent demand of 10 units in week 32. Dependent demand and net demand are same, given no stock at DC. This dependent demand at DC further propagates to the plant in week 31. Notice how the net demand for each period in the plant is satisfied by the same value in the receipt key figure in each period. No bundling of demands across periods takes place with lot for lot. Let's see how time series supply optimizer can be made to plan lot for lot. Technically, supply optimizer ignores the lot sizing procedure maintained in location product master data type. Optimizer calculates optimal lot sizes to minimize overall costs across various costs, such as production cost, transportation costs, inventory holding costs, etc. However, we can achieve the lot-for-lot strategy in Optimizer by modeling a high cost to hold inventory at plant or DC, compared to the production or transportation costs. Note the high values of inventory holding cost rate at plant and DC, compared to production or transportation costs. This forces Optimizer to receive in plant or in DC, just what is needed in each period, to minimize inventory holding costs. Let's see how Optimizer changes behavior if we model costs the other way. Note the fixed production cost at plant 1010 now is much higher compared to the inventory holding cost rate in this example. Optimizer now decides to bundle the demands of subsequent weeks, as it is much cheaper to produce once and hold inventory, instead of producing every week. You can see that dependent demands across week 31 to week 34 have been pooled into a single net demand in week 31 in the plant. This pattern also repeats across weeks 36 to 38. In conclusion, IBP supports multiple lot sizing procedures across multiple supply planning algorithms. Infinite Heuristic supports lot for rough cut planning designed to see how the raw demands propagate through the supply chain network. Optimizer produces optimal lot sizes based on balancing inventory production versus storage costs. However, Optimizer cost model can be tweaked to deliver lot-for-lot strategy if needed. See part 2 of this lot size topic to understand how static periods of supply works as a lot sizing procedure. You can find this and all other IBP explainer series videos at GitaCloud website or GitaCloud YouTube channel. SAP IBP has a wide range of demand or supply planning features that your planners may be interested in. GitaCloud can help you understand how IBP can model your specific planning problems and how that adds value to your planners. You can reach us with a quick email to connect@GitaCloud.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share if you did. Have a great week.